Hey, in this week's episode, we're going to talk about the Mo. We're going to talk about a brand new template and one more coming down the road. We're going to talk about the current situation of Pegasaas Accelerator. Hey, good afternoon. It's Brandon Devnich from i3D Themes with this week's interactive number 63, where we share what we're passionate about and what we're working on in the i3D Themes Design and Code Labs. So this glorious thing here, it's really filling in. It's my Mo for Movember, where we are raising funds and trying to bring awareness for men's health issues. And Colin's growing one? Is that the right? Grooming one? He's got one going on as well. His is awesome. It really suits him. He doesn't think so, but he says he's going to have to shave it off before he goes on vacation at the end of next week. I think you should keep it. It's just awesome. He thinks mine is great, but I don't think anybody can agree that this is something that I should keep, especially my wife. She's actually trying to raise funds so that I'll shave it off early, and good for her. Good on her. But of course, we're still trying to bring awareness for men's health issues such as prostate cancer and a bunch of other issues that afflict men. So, yes, we have a brand new template. I think there's 7 colors here. Take a look at this. This here is Proxima XT. Hit our catalog this morning. If you're signed up for our newsletter, you probably have already received the notification, or if you've been watching on Facebook, there it is. And so it's a professional, responsive design for Dreamweaver and Expression Web. It's a thing of beauty. It's just great. And in fact, we have another one coming, we hope, by the end of next week before Colin goes away on vacation. Otherwise, it's going to be a few weeks delayed after that. But he's trying his darndest to get that out. Codenamed Adama. We're big Battlestar Galactica fans here. He's our hero. So that's coming hopefully next week as well. Also, this week, we've been getting Pegasaas Accelerator, which is our automated Google PageSpeed optimization WordPress plugin, into what we call first flight status, which means that it's not quite public release. We have a reservation list of people that are interested in it, and we're releasing it out to them. So if you're on that list, we haven't contacted you yet. Pretty soon, we'll be sending phone. We'll be either calling or emailing or both. So look for an email if you're on that list, and then you'll get a chance to try this out. And so we'll just show you that up. This is what you'll be looking at. This is Pegasaas.com. Pegasaas.com is, let's see, we won't throw my name over top of that yet. It's our portal for this WordPress plugin. So if you haven't heard me talk about Pegasaas Accelerator before, basically it takes your WordPress site and automatically does a bunch of magic. It is an all-in-one solution. So you don't need to have a caching plugin anymore. You don't need to have a minification plugin. You don't need to do image optimization as well, and try to piece everything together. It does it all for you, and it does a bunch of other stuff that other plugins just don't do. It does critical path above the fold CSS, a bunch of really techno geeky stuff that is required in order to optimize your site for Google PageSpeed, and that's a metric that is important to Google. Now, you go, well, why do I need to worry about Google? Well, it's only like over 90% of searches on the internet. Like, I thought it was like 60, but I recently took a look at the stats for it. And Bing and Yahoo are not nearly as popular as I thought they were. We were always still thinking Google was number one. But Google is very, very important. If you're going to make sure that you're listed in the search engines, you need to satisfy their algorithm. Now, we don't know all the secrets of the algorithm, but we can extrapolate by observing that a faster website is better than a slower website. Makes sense, right? You don't want to have a slow website. And it's more important for a number of reasons. First of all, if you have a slow website, you're going to have drop-offs. You're going to have people bouncing off your website. And WordPress is notorious for being it's a beast, it's massive. It's 500,000 lines of code. It takes a while to generate all the stuff. Not only that, but the way that the plugins and the themes come together, it's really hard to optimize for the fastest possible load time. And so that's where this plugin comes in. It does it for you. But the other really important thing, there's two other really important things, and that, let's move that hand over there. Two other really important things is that Google is going to give preference to faster loading websites in its search results pages. Because given all other metrics considered equal, if your website is fast and your competitor is slow, even if you rank with the same number of incoming links and you have the same type of content, if yours is fast and theirs is slow, who do you think is going to come up higher in the search results pages? It's a metric, right? So that said, the other really important thing is the aspect of pay-per-click. Now, Google, when you're trying to optimize your campaigns for pay-per-click, they have a quality score. And that quality score has a lot to do, not just with the content on your page, but how fast your pages load. So if you have a slow loading page, your quality is going to go down. You're going to be paying more for that ad click. So that's another really important thing to make sure your pages are loading fast. Well, that's what Pegasaas is for. It's for addressing all those issues, making your website as fast as possible, getting you as high a page speed score as possible. So if you have a WordPress site and you think, gosh darn it, I'd like it to be faster. Well, if you don't even know what your page speed score is, go over to Pegasaas. Go over to Pegasaas here, and at the bottom of the page, you can type in your website address, and you can find out your page speed score for your home page. And it'll give you an idea, what you're looking at. If you're already at 90, good for you. Good for you. We'll use that thumb instead. This hand gets blocked by the little graphic there. Good for you. But if you're in and around 75, even if you're at 80, you really need to be doing a few more things to make sure your website is as fast as possible, is loading as fast as possible. So that's what the benefits of Pegasaas is all about. The features, if you want to take a look at all the wonderful features that it does, head over to Pegasaas.com and take a look at the features that are down at the bottom of the page there. But as I said, we're in first flight mode, and after we're done that, we're going to be releasing it to those on the second flight reservation list. And once we're done that, probably early December, we'll be releasing it out to the public. So anyways, thank you so much for joining me. We hope you've had a fantastic week. If there's anything in this video that you think somebody else might need, like maybe they're in the market for a new website design, and you think that they need to have something responsive done in Dreamweaver or Expression Web, or if you think that they have a WordPress site and perhaps it's maybe not as fast as it should be, please, by all means, share this video, like, comment. We'd love to hear from you, and hope you have a fantastic week planned for you ahead. We'll talk to you again next week. Bye-bye.